My name is Raquel. I'm here in Canada for 21 years. I'm from Brazil. I love walking my dog. I always walking my dog 3-4 times a day. I like some good wines. What else? I have a lot of friends, good friends in Canada, from Brazil and even from Canada. Well, I had a beautiful hair when I was young. And then maybe around 20 something, I realized that I start to lose my hair. I went to see doctors, and nothing was wrong. One doctor said it was my nervous system, some other said hormones. So I tried, nothing really works. It was bothering me, because, every time, mainly when you take pictures, you can see yourself and that bald thing over there. Yeah, they suggest me to do minoxidil and rubber some stuff and pills, also minoxidil pills and some other stuff. But was okay, but never really returned. My hair was always losing. I feel good, and I never really had long hair like that. But I just wanna try to see if I'm gonna adapt myself. If not, I'm gonna cut a little bit, whatever, because I always have had short hair. So I feel more confident for sure. I guess there are two things important: our teeth and our hair. So if you have both, you're much more confident, because you can smile if you have teeth, and you always can. Mainly for women, I guess it's very important have hair and don't feel like and not only that, I guess when you don't have hair you look older, so this is another reason too. They found well, to be honest, just the people who knew that I had hair like hair system realized, because even now many people don't realize that it's not my hair, even last week I met a friend. She's actually my neighbor. In front of me she lives, and she said, "Oh, what you did to your hair? Your hair is nice, always nice, and the way you comb." I said, "Oh, thank you," but she doesn't know that it's not real. It's my hair because I pay for it, but it's not my hair. And it's hard because if I don't tell, people don't realize it's not my hair. So I say to them, come on, why don't we give it a try, right? Always worth to try, and if you don't really like, your hair is gonna grow up, the one you shave. If you like, it's better, right? Give a try because it's very nice and you're gonna feel much, much better. It's something that increase your confidence, and why not? If you can feel better and be happier, let's try.